Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up or enable two-factor authentication on X, or is previously called Twitter. So let's head over to the X app. Just make sure that you've logged into your account. Then next is just slide to the right. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Next is just click on Security and Account Access. Then Security. And from here, you can easily see and access two-factor authentication. Just click on it. Then make sure to toggle the authentication app on. And from here, X will ask you for an email address connected to your Google Authenticator app. So just make sure to add the same email address. So from here, we will now set up and connect our Google Authenticator to our Twitter app. So click on Link App. From here, you will be automatically redirected to your Google Authenticator. Then just press on Yes. Then just go back to X, then paste the code. Press Confirm. So as you can see, you have now successfully added your Google Authenticator app on X. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily set up Google Authenticator or set up two-factor authentication on your X or previously Twitter app. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!